Good morning students, welcome to Blue Star Higher Secondary School online class. Class 6, subject physical science, chapter 4. Students, last class we saw 4th chapter, sorting materials into groups. What is mean by sorting and what is mean by materials and what are the groups are arranged in the sorting groups of materials. We saw. Next we will see about or talk about or discuss about object around us. What is that? Object around us. First one is the introduction. What is mean by object around us? We have seen that our food and clothes have so much variety in them. Not just food and clothes, there is such a variety of objects. For example, we see around us in our home. We see around us. What is we see around us in your home or neighbors? Chair, bullock cart, cycle, cooking vessels, books, clothes, toys, water, stones. So these are the objects are see in your home: chair, bullock cart, cycle, cooking vessels, books, clothes, toys, water, stones, and many other objects. All these objects have different shapes and color. All these objects have different shapes and color. These objects are different shapes and color. Different shapes and color. Different shapes and color. Then look around, identify the objects that are round in shape. Which is round in shape and which one is round in nearly in shape? Which one of the objects are round in shapes are round in shape? For example, round in shape, already you know example of round in shape: rubber ball, and football. And we include objects nearly round. Which objects are nearly round in shape? Nearly round in shapes are, for example, apple and orange. Apple and orange. These are the example of round in shape, of nearly round in shape of example apple and orange. Next, let us say we wish to make group of objects. What is that? Group of objects are made up of plastics. Group of objects are made up of plastics are group of objects are made up of plastics. For example, what is the plastics made things? Buckets, lunch box, toys, water containers, pipes. There are so many plastic man-made things of objects. Next, the objects are around us made one or more materials. The objects are around us one or more materials. These objects are to make around one or more materials you see in your home. The materials may be glass, metal, plastics, wood, cotton and paper. These are the one or more materials of the objects are glass, metal, plastics, wood, cotton and paper. Then table 4.1 activities for you students. Table 4.1. Table 4.1. Objects and the materials made of. Objects and the materials they are made of. First one is the what is that? Objects. What is that? Objects. Materials they are made of. First objects, plate. First one is the plate. The materials they are made of, they are variety. Plate, how to make the plate? Steel, glass and plastics. Next one is the pen. Pen materials they are made of, plastics and metal. Students, this way your activities for you, write in 3, 4 and 5. You write the objects and what are the materials they are made up of. You write down in your rough note. This is the activity for you. Next, what are the different types of objects that are made of same material? Next, table 4.2. Different type of objects. Different types of objects that are made of the same material. Made of the same material. This is the heading, table 4.2. Table 4.2. Different types of objects that are made of the same material. Next, first one is the material. Which one is the same material? Next, objects made of these material. So first one is the wood. This is the material, objects made of these materials. woodல இருந்து என்னெல்லாம் prepare பண்ண முடியும்? chair, table, plug, bullock cart, bullock cart and its wheels. Its first one is the wood. Material is the wood. The objects made of these materials are chair, table, bullock cart, plug and its wheels. Second one is the paper. What is the paper used in the materials are books, notebooks, newspaper, toys and calendars. Students, this is activity for you. First 1 and 2 I have write. You write in third, 4 and 5. Third one is the leather. Fourth one is the plastics. And fifth one is the cotton. So these are the objects made of this material. You write it the activities for you. Students, I have attached one assignment for you. This topic object around us. All of you write the question answer in rough note. Revise the daily portions. Students, I have attached one videos from this object around us. Thank you.